Alright guys, so it's 2018 Nissan Altima. We're putting a new radio in it. Just to give you an idea, like this bottom piece just pulled out, just some clips right in there that they just pop out. You just get it out loose a little bit, and this whole panel right here comes out again. It's just clips holding it, so you just grab them and pop them out all the way around, all the way up top. It just all pops out of the clips. See those little slots where the clips go, so it all pops out. And then there's supposed to be, I think, screws that hold these in, but there wasn't in this one. I don't know if they forgot to put them in for the factory, or somebody's been in this, I don't know. This one is supposed to have screws here and here as well. Pop it out, and then it just comes right down. And then we got 4 screws. So we got 2 down there at the bottom, there and there. Those 2, the Phillips heads. They fasten to the side of the radio. Those screws there. And then up here, there's 2 more. You got one right there and one there. Those metal brackets are fastened to the new radio. And then the back of the radio has the plugs. Here's the part number and stuff. Everything you need right there. I'll see if I can find this. I'll see if I can find this online. I'll put a link in the description below. And then the back's got the plugs. Just unplug the old, unplug the new one in, and you'll have to mount the brackets in for it. Let me see. Let's just get this one out and see what happens. I'll pause this. Yeah, so we got 3 screws on the side. I believe that we're going to want to save these, and those are Torx, so they look like possibly Torque 25s. They're going to be on both sides like that. So you're going to put them on the new radio. You know, you do that over on a table once you unplug everything. Man, this thing is in the way. You may just want to unplug this guy up here just to get out of the way too. But I'm going to need both hands, but you guys get the idea. It's pretty much how you do it. Then you just pop it all back together. Not even a big deal. The whole thing won't take you half an hour if you do it without recording it. All right guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'll put the new stereo in the description below. Just click the link. Peace.